I always tell people, you know what? And for those of you who are here for Navrat, if you want to know how you look, never ask somebody how you look, because they will. You don't know? If you know that you look good to yourself, loving devotees, it says, when you go to your puja room, when there is no flower, when you not sprinkle water or spray some incense or put some banana in front of your murti, how does that feel? Empty. It's just like when you bathe and you put on new clothing and you start to dress up. Now you make up, you not dress up. And when you put on, then you feel good. It's not so? It's just like when you go to your puja room and you do puja. You decorate your murti, the tilak, the chandan. It says now you put flowers. You sprinkle water, you offer a fruit or leaf, whatever you afford to Bhagwan. And when you arti and you sit down and you look at your murti, it says now your altar, your puja room has been completed. It's just like when you get out of bed, you feel like empty. When you start to bathe and dress up, you feel good about yourself. It says just like that as we live life. At no point in time we should complain. I'm talking about complaint. This bhajan tells us something about Bhagwan Shri Krishna and Radha. Listen. Vokalaik Basuri Wala Basuri Wala Basuri Wala wo kala ek Basuri Wala How much people like the way how their hair look? How much people like their complexion? Okay, how much people like them size? How much people like their height? It says everybody when they go in front of the mirror, they find fault of something.